Good evening everyone. Got a little tutorial for you today. I've not done one of these before, but I see it more and more, so I'm going to do this one. See how it goes. It's a little bit informative, to be fair, just for the people out there that don't actually know. It's on tyres. Tyres in the UK. In the UK this is specific to. So let's get to showing you what's going on. So in front of me I've got 4 tyres. I'm going to show you 2 ways of measuring them and just little bits about the tyre. I see it daily, and if people are struggling with measuring the tyres or a way of measuring the tyres without actually taking it to a garage, this is a video for you. So if I show you, I've even got a sticky label on just to show you what's going on. So I've got an aged tyre. So I've gone for the 4 most common, if you like. So an aged tyre, and the issue we've got here is just on the age. The rubber's started to deteriorate. That is all the way around. And on this tyre, there's a date. So just here, there's a date on the tyre. So this one's week 51 of 2012. So we're quite an old tyre based on that. So the rubber's degraded to a point where it started cracking and going hard. So that's an issue that can turn into these cracks going right through to the cords and yeah, causing a blowout at worst case. The next one's an alignment issue tyre. Now you can probably notice it straight off the bat. We've got an issue here in particular. It's where it's worn fairly bad. In fact, really bad. Compared to the rest of the tread, which is quite uniform, then you just lose this edge. Now this is nothing to do with age, this is to do with wheel alignment. Now there could be multiple issues causing this, which is why we always advise to get the wheel alignment done. Now this is quite a simple check again. All you need to do is to just check the inside edge and even just rub your hand over the outside edge just while the car's got its wheel on and fitted, and you can feel that being an issue. So that's definitely an alignment problem there. So a new tyre and a wheel alignment would cure that. I've got a tread depth gauge, sorry, and a 20p. I'm going to show you how to measure tyres with a 20p if you haven't got one of these. So this is an evenly worn tyre. As you can see, it's quite uniformly worn. You've got the wear bars here that the manufacturer do put in. Now different manufacturers have them at different limits. They could be 1.6mm, which is a UK legal limit, or they could be just a touch higher, just to get you ready for replacing your tyres really. And then we've got a new tyre. As you can see, you've got the manufacturer marks in there. The wear bars are quite low down, unlike those ones that are quite high up. Loads of life left on the tyre. It's in good shape, it's a nice colour. It's never been fitted. So that's a new tyre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to tread depth just on these 2 tyres in particular. We've got a worn one and a new one. So I'll show you with the actual tool to start with. So it's set at 0, which I've already done for you, and then all we do is pop it into the groove and measure. Now in the UK we're looking for the certain parts, so we're going to be measuring the parts that have the wear bars in particular. So as you can see, just by measuring that, you're at 1.72. Legal limit in the UK is 1.6mm. So that tyre is about at the legal limit. This is where you will change it. And on the new one, I'll show you there. So brand new tyre, you go to just under 7.5mm. So loads of life left on that, which is it's good. It's exactly what you want. So I'm going to show you how to measure your tyres with a 20p. So I'll just put it on top of this one just to show you. So all we do is just manually set that, just so I can show you. So the banner of the 20p, just a bit high there. There we go. And you can see there, the banner around the 20p is about 2.5mm, just over. So if you can take any 20p and know that border we can sit in the tyre, and if we show you there, you can see the tyre is considerably lower than 2.6mm. Now if we put it into the new one, you will see that the border disappears completely, and that's how you know you've got a very good tyre. So you're looking for that border, which is just over 2.5mm on a 20p in the UK. Now in the UK, the legal limit, like I've said, is 1.6 millimeters. That's across 3/4 of the tread. So there is the MOT manual that you can refer to for that, but these are just the simple ways of checking your tyres and just a few examples of different wears and different issues on tyres. So I just thought I'd bring you along for that one. So there we have it, measurements, or a way of measuring your tyres in the UK. You know, this is UK specific, like I've said. I'm not sure of the laws in any other countries regarding that, but this is UK. So hopefully this has helped you just to look at your own tyres rather than having to worry about taking it to a garage or worrying about your tyre depth or leaving it until the tyre's in a dangerous condition. Just that simple check with 20p could be a tyre blowing out or a good tyre. It's best to check. It's best to always check before every journey, ideally, just so you know you're driving on all 4 tyres. They are your last port of contact onto the road, so ideally you want them in a good condition. So hopefully that's helped. Apologies for the lockdown here. It is being cut Sunday. So again, hopefully this has helped. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, happy days, thank you. Please subscribe. More content like this to come, more little helpful how-tos, cleaning, fixing. It's all car related. So thank you, and catch you in a bit.